viewers, this is a very easy and simple process to make the fish curry masala. It is minimal ingredients, approximately about 5 to 6 ingredients. And so we begin with roasting, grinding, and then we are done. We can store it. So first we begin with 1 cup of the coriander seed, and we'll roast them until it changes its color and it's fragrant. Dear viewers, the coriander seeds has been roasted well. Now we can transfer it. Our next ingredient is black pepper. And the black pepper is ready now, and I could see, but I'm going to roast it for another few more minutes. The black pepper roasted. I usually hold it with my bare hands is to check and see how hot is it. If it's still on the warm side, I'll continue, but this is really warm. I can't even hold it, so I'm transferring this. This is considered this is ready, and the black pepper is done. And now we will do the dried chilies. The dried chili is about 20. I'm using about 20, but you can use more if you like it to your curry powder to be spicy. So let us continue. And all these ingredients I have been roasting on a medium flame, just to remind you. So we will roast the dried chili until it becomes crispy. And dear viewers, the chilies are kind of like roasted, but still it needs another few more minutes. And the chilies are ready. Now we can transfer it. And I'm going to transfer it in a separate bowl so that when I'm grinding it, I'll be grinding the chilies first. And dear viewers, now I have reduced the heat from a medium to medium low to roast the cumin seeds. And just be watchful, cumin seed roasts very quickly, so just when we need to do it because the heat will be strong, so make sure that the cumin seed is roasted well as well. Yes, dear viewers, the cumin seed is ready and we can add it with the other ingredients. And with that, now we can add 3 sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Now we have to roast this until it gets dried. This is just a small quantity, but if you'd like to make more, you can make more of this whole recipe. So we roast the green fresh curry leaves and then we will add it. So we need to like dry it completely. And to remove all the moisture from the leaf, and this is the best way. In India, there will be some places in India where there is the heat in summer. It's pretty warm, so they usually dry them. They don't roast them like how I'm doing it here. And in their homes, they just dry them, all the ingredients separately, and they take it to a grinding mill which is close by to their home, and they grind everything right away. And dear viewers, now the curry leaves is already dried out well. So, and I can see the curry leaves are getting separated. So this is the time that we can transfer this out into the prepared spices. And now with this, we will add the turmeric powder. I hope you can see. Yeah, it's turmeric powder, and after that we will mix it up together. And so just mix it up together, the turmeric powder, and it should be good. And we will wait until this gets cool off, then we can grind it. We will wait approximately about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Hello viewers, our fish curry masala, has already been cooled after roasting with the chili separately. So we have to start grinding that, and so we start off with the chili, and also we will add the dried curry leaves. So now we will grind this in pulse mode until it's properly grind, and we'll be back. And dear viewers, now we will add the rest of the ingredients. And now it's time to grind everything. And dear viewers, our masala powder is ready, and we can't store this in the container because the grinder is still warm. And so we will let it cool off. Then once it's cool off, then we can add them into the container and label them. So dear viewers, this is ready, so it needs to be cool off. Then we will put them into the bottle. So we have waited for about half an hour for the masala to get cool off, and the masala is well cooled. and also now we can bottle them. So I managed to get a bottle like this, and I did my own labeling. I'm at home, I keep it very simple and easy. So this is a roasted fish curry masala, and so it's the next thing is just you got to bottle them. And so viewers, this is my final product of my roasted fish masala, and it's all well done, and it's simple. I just write it down for the labeling. I do it myself. If you want it to be like really fancy, you can always do it in your computer or any other resources, but I'm more like a traditional and old school. So this is what I did for my fish curry masala, or the fish roasted masala for fish. So I hope you'll try again this try this recipe and use it for your fish curry or your fried fish, and it's easy, simple and so easy. All you need to do is just gather the ingredients, roast them, cool it off, grind it, and then put them in a jar. This is ready. This will last me maybe about 2 months. And one more thing, if you keep it in the fridge, it lasts longer. So if you leave it outside, the shelf life will be shorter. So I encourage you to put it in the fridge once you have done. So thank you for viewing Friday Friendly Kitchen. I hope you like this video. So please do subscribe and share the video. I have been absent myself for a long time, and I have resumed my videos now, and so this is my first video. I hope you enjoyed it. So do leave me a comment. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Happy viewing, and welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Thank you so much. Bye.